Build it bright, be safe, be confident. I learned a hard lesson a little over 2 weeks ago. As in the rule book, it says personal protection. My personal protection over all these years, I'd buy mask by the box, safety glasses, these particular safety glasses that you got right here, a pack of 12 cost $16 on Amazon. So the day that I got debris in my eye, I had a 2-minute job with a weed eater and my safety glasses wasn't on it. Normally I keep the safety glasses and mask on each item, whether it be a weed eater, chainsaw, riding a lawnmower, whatever. So in this case, I spent a half a day at the walk-in thing at the hospital, and it took 2 weeks for my eye to look nice again. So here again, I showed you how I broke down this. I looked this thing back up. This is a bead breaker. It's still $65 on Amazon. That did the heavy lifting. Now that you did the heavy lifting, I used wrecking bar turned sideways to break the rest of the bead by turning the tire. Here's how I get rid. This is all rusty. So in order to get in there, I worked up to about here. I put my spacers in there. All right. I used to use wire brushes, twisted, whatever. What I found out works best is one's designed for removing paint. They do a brilliant job as a rust remover. So I've got this out here where I can get it in there. You can see it's started to fall off, so what happens is I rotate, do my number so I can get back to it. You can see that's really rusty right there. Here's how it works. You come back and check it by hand, rotate the tire again. It's a whole lot easier to do this, a tractor tire up in the air, than laying it down on the ground. Then you got this little area in here. All right, you're about to see I got to an area where I hadn't used the paint remover tool on it. Eye protection, filter. That's how I work these here. Once you got that done, you take these pressers out. I got a device here. Tire tool from an old-time tire shop. It's already started setting the bead. What I found out is sometimes if I don't work just right, put a little bead sealer on there. Close the gap. It'll be ready to take air when I get the energy to do it tomorrow. Thanks for watching.